Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by diagnosing the problem, open the traffic heat map, and watch vehicle flow. You prioritize choke points first, intersections, highway exits, and industrial routes, and adjust the road hierarchy so each road serves its intended role. Once done, apply immediate policies like cargo bans during peak hours and encourage public transport with reduced fares. You also place basic public transport lines on major corridors now, because early transit adoption diverts peak traffic and prevents buildup as you continue. You tackle the complex middle steps by reworking intersections, replace inefficient signals with roundabouts where space allows, and for busy crossroads use timed lights to create platooning. Make sure to add dedicated bus or tram lanes and left turn pockets to keep through lanes flowing. Next, separate freight by creating bypasses and dedicated truck roads to protect residential arterials. As you implement these changes, monitor route choices and adjust lane arrows and lane connectors so AI chooses the intended paths, reducing weaving and You finish by fine-tuning signals, timing, and priority rules to smooth flow. Make small timing offsets to create green waves. You deploy park-and-ride lots, cycle lanes, and local transit hubs so drivers switch modes. Once complete, audit service vehicle and emergency routing and close remaining pinch points with small road upgrades. If things go wrong, use the traffic manager to force lane choices, inspect AI pathfinding to find reroutes, and temporarily ban problem vehicle types while you iterate. Repeat adjustments until flow stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.